Hello students, this is Gayatri. Today we'll start a new chapter, friction. First we have to know what is friction. Consider we are trying to move an object on the floor. So between the object and the floor, friction arises. So this friction is opposite to the direction of motion and also to the applied force. So we can conclude friction is the force acting along the two surfaces in contact which opposes the motion of one body over the other. The SI unit of friction is Newton. Is friction a contact or non-contact force? Friction is a contact force which arises due to the contact between two surfaces. Causes of friction. Friction is caused due to the interlocking of irregularities between the two surfaces in contact. In reality, there is no perfectly smooth surfaces. Friction cannot be reduced to zero because however the smooth the surface may be. Do you know why? Because the surface may appear to be very smooth to our naked eyes. But when we examine this under a powerful microscope, the surface of a good table looks very smooth to the naked eyes. But if you see it under a microscope, you will find a number of peaks and valleys in the surface. For example, see this picture. The table looks like a very smooth surface. But when we see it under a microscope, it has some irregularities between them. So, smooth surfaces have minute irregularities between the two surfaces. Rough surfaces have large irregularities between the two surfaces. So, the friction is more if the surfaces are rough. The friction is less if the surfaces are smooth. Properties of friction. When we are moving one body over other, then only friction is produced. Friction always tries to stop the moving body and also it prevents some movement. Friction gives some damages to the surface of the body, either to one surface. Friction is always in the direction opposite to the direction of motion and also direction of applied force. Which is easier to ride a bicycle on a concrete road or an uneven road? We are going to ride a bicycle on a concrete road and then ride it on a rough or uneven road. What happened? We feel it is easier to ride a bicycle on a concrete road than on a rough and uneven road. Do you know why? Because concrete road is a smooth surface. We already know in the smooth surface the friction will be less. But in a rough surface, that is an uneven road, the rough surface, the force of friction will be more. That's why we feel easier to ride a bicycle on a concrete road. Why do we slip when we step on a banana peel? Because the inner side of banana peel being smooth and slippery, which reduces the friction between the sole of our shoe and the surface of the road. Spring balance. It's a device used for measuring the force acting on an object. The reading on the scale gives the magnitude of the force. Answer the following questions. What is friction? What is the SI unit of friction? Why do we slip when we step on a banana peel? What are the causes of friction? Do the following activity. Refer chapter 12, Friction, activity 12.1 in page number 146.